Hey there, my friend. This is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, founder here at the Fit Mother Project. My team and I are the health and fitness experts for busy moms and women in their 40s, 50s, and 60s who want to lose fat and get strong and get yourself and your family healthy. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do an exercise demonstration for the goblet squat, which is a front-loaded squat where you have a dumbbell or a kettlebell tight to your chest and you're squatting back. And this is one of the best leg exercises with very minimal equipment because it not only works your legs, your butt, your hamstrings, and really just your posture in general, but it really works your core because you have to stay upright. So we're going to demonstrate this. I'm going to show you advanced variation, give you some ideas on some reps and sets as well in this video. I know you're going to love this and learn a ton. So to start this exercise off, we need to get some kind of dumbbell or kettlebell. So a single dumbbell kettlebell, you're going to hold it just like this with your wrists underneath here, wrapped around it, and you're going to get nice and tight to your chest just like this. You take your arms, you bring them in, you squeeze everything tight. Feet are going to be roughly shoulder width like this. You take a deep breath in, and you sit back right to here. See how I'm still upright, and I'm pushing right back up through the squat. A couple more good reps. Down, pause, fire right back up. I want you to feel like you're sitting back, weight is evenly distributed through your feet, and you're pushing right back up. A mistake a lot of people make with the goblet squat is the weight is naturally in front of you. So what does the weight want to do? It wants to carry you forward. So a bad goblet squat is what happens when we start to do this kind of stuff here. We allow ourselves to collapse forward into this turtle shell kind of thing, and the weight drifts away from our chest. We want to keep the weight nice and tight, almost feel like there's a string pulling you upwards, and we're sitting down with that weight centered in between. We're pausing, and we're firing right back up. So that is how you do the goblet squat. You can certainly do it with a dumbbell like this. You can do it with kettlebells as well. Now, a more advanced version is to get a band like this, and we're going to get the glutes even more involved. You're going to put this around your legs, right above the knee. And what this is going to do is this band is going to want to bring my legs inward. So I have to push them outward using my glutes just like this to stay engaged. So I'm going to get my implement here, my dumbbell. You can see here in this position, I'm right here, tight, spine is straight. I'm going to sit back, but as I do, I'm forcing my knees out, coming right back up. Down, right back up. Down, spine's in neutral position, right back up, and that is how you do the goblet squat. So there are so many different rep ranges that you can train this exercise in. One you can do is do it higher rep. You can do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. It's really great because you're going to get a cardio effect from this too. It's very challenging, as well as the strength and the toning of your legs, your glutes, your hamstrings, all of the above. You can also do them heavy in a very low rep range, which feels completely different, because imagine having a very heavy weight that you're holding to your chest, and as you're squatting down, you got to be powerful to come up, and that might be sets in, let's say, the 5 to 8 rep range. Also valuable. I recommend you do both. So let's say you do goblet squats twice per week. On one day, you're going to do them high rep. On another day, you're going to do them low rep. They're going to feel completely different. The low rep version in particular is going to be way more harder on your core, and it's going to work on your arm strength as well. So it's really more of a full body motion. And the high rep version is going to be great to pair with other leg exercises as well. So that is a tutorial of how to do the goblet squat. Now, if you like this, then I know you're going to love all the stuff at our Fit Mother Project YouTube channel. So I recommend you scroll below, you hit subscribe, you join our community here on YouTube. We literally have hundreds of videos that we're publishing this year on the channel on the best form tutorials, how to eat, to lose weight, to lose fat, how to get and stay motivated, how to help your family get healthier too. We are the Fit Mother Project. This is what we do. And if you want help losing weight, toning up, and building some strength, and you're a busy mom or woman in your 40s, 50s, and 60s, then you got to get our free Fit Mom Jumpstart. It's linked below in the description. When you click that link, my team and I are actually going to email you our full Fit Mom meal plan, a 24-minute metabolism boosting workout, and some tips on how to get motivated and actually make sure that you sustain the weight you lose. I'm going to be on email, actually sending you an email every day for the week and really helping you actually see great results with this stuff. So that is there. It's free for you. So I hope you enjoy that as well. Thank you for being here, my friend. Hit subscribe. Check out that free Fit Mom Jumpstart. I'll see you around our channel, and I'll talk to you very soon.